As the rain fades, the rainforest awakens. Branch, its tiny feet gripping the bark. As the day progresses, wildlife begins to emerge after the rain. A small tree frog clings to a leaf, its skin reflecting the moisture in the air, blinking slowly in the new light. A brilliantly colored hummingbird flutters, feeding on nectar as droplets shake free from a flower. An ant colony moves in unison, carrying tiny leaves and twigs across a rain-soaked log. A bright blue morpho butterfly rests with its wings spread, drying off after the rain. And a pair of scarlet macaws preen their wet feathers, perched high above the forest. Water flows through the rainforest, reflecting the light. A stream wends through the rainforest, its surface reflecting the morning sky as gentle ripples dance across the water. A majestic waterfall crashes into a hidden pool, sending up a fine mist that catches the light. Water droplets fall from vines in slow motion, each droplet sparkling like a tiny jewel. A small fish leaps from the water, its scales glistening. A single raindrop hits the water, creating a mesmerizing ripple effect. Exploring the ancient trees of the rainforest. Ancient trees stretch skyward, their trunks draped with vines like curtains. Light breaks through dense leaves, casting moving shadows on the jungle floor. A thick jungle root system covered in moss and ferns stretches across the ground. A massive tree trunk is covered in glowing fireflies flickering softly in the shadows. Life returns to the jungle after the rain. A monkey swings gracefully through the canopy, droplets flying off as it moves. A beetle crawls over wet bark, reflecting the morning light like polished metal. Butterflies gather on a damp riverbank, absorbing the minerals left behind by the rain. A gentle breeze stirs the ferns, sending droplets flying in slow motion. The rainforest is bathed in golden light as a new day begins. The entire rainforest is revealed, bathed in golden morning light. A distant flock of birds takes flight, their wings catching the sun's glow. The misty jungle stretches to the horizon, with the river winding through it. Nature awakens, renewed and endless. The rainforest breathes and life moves forward.